Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you're here. Not so long ago I got my hands onto the metallic watercolors and I think it's time to try them out. And the perfect character to play with would be Frieren. Frieren is the main character of the anime Frieren Beyond Journey's End. And I have to confess, I'm in love with this show. I watched this like a month ago and now I'm rewatching it again because it's so amazing. And Frieren, my girl, I love her. So let's draw her. Starting off with a sketch. You know, one of the interesting things about Frieren is how they use German words for names. These names also reflect personality traits of the characters. For example, Frieren, which means to freeze in German. Frieren is an elf who has been living for over 1,000 years. In the beginning, she struggles with understanding humans and their emotions. You can say that Frieren seems distant and emotionally frozen in a way. The next character is Frieren, and Frieren means far. She was raised by the priest, and you can see how upright, quiet, and serious she is. She also resembles Frieren in a way by being distant. Another character is Stark, and it means strong. He is a warrior, and he is quite strong and capable physically, although he is very timid and doesn't seem to believe in his own strength and abilities. In that light, his name might sound even ironic. These characters are so adorable, and although they have cool fantasy powers, they are still very relatable. There are so many more amazing characters. Not only characters, but also places have German words as proper names. Though it might be confusing, because I'm watching this show in German, and sometimes I'm not sure whether a certain word is a proper name or just a word in the sentence. Unfortunately, I didn't tape it well enough, so I have a couple of watercolor leaks here and there, especially in the face. It's very sad, but it's okay, I will have to think of something. Now let me tell you why I like this show so much. You know how most stories have a narrative of defeating the villain, finding the love of your life, and then living happily ever after? But what happens after that? I like how this anime shows that there is a story after the great ending. Also, you probably noticed that oftentimes the main characters of the shows are loud, annoying, maybe they are teenagers with anger issues, or some outcast who is destined to become the great hero, or some girlie who is acting like Mary Sue. So I love how Frieren's character is extremely powerful, yet humble, mature, and at the same time silly. She is the main character, yes, but she is not trying to prove anything to anyone or to stand in the spotlight all the time. She is confident, calm, wise. For me, it was like a breath of fresh air. And this is the result. The metallic watercolor sparkles as expected, however, it can be seen only under a specific angle. Still looks pretty though. Also, I've been meaning to make a fan art of Frieren for some time now, so I'm happy that I finally got to do it. I think that's it for this video. I hope it was really fun and inspiring for you. If you're interested in more art-related content like this, feel free to follow me here on YouTube or on Instagram or on any other platform. Thank you so much for watching. Create and enjoy. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!